As healthcare professionals, you dedicate every day to helping others. But when it comes to building financial security for yourself and family, are you ready to take the first step? Imagine a future where your financial goals are working as hard as you are. Today, I'll break down a simple three-step formula to start your mutual fund investment journey in 2024. This approach is tailored to help healthcare professionals like you who may be short on time but eager to secure a financially stable future. I understand the unique financial challenges you face. You're juggling your professional and personal life, often without the time to dive deep into financial planning. This can mean that important goals like retirement or children's education are left on the back burner. But with the right approach, you can start building a financially secure future without added stress. Hi, I'm Devashish Bajpayee, CEO and founder of Wealth Compass for Medics. I'm here to help healthcare professionals like you to take control of your finances with an investment strategy that's as disciplined and as focused as you in your profession. My background in finance and over 2 decades of experience enable me to make the complex financial issues simple and manageable for you. So let us start. Step 1. Step 1 is to clearly define your financial goals. What do you want to achieve with your investments? Is it comfortable retirement, a fund for your children's education, or building a wealth cushion? Knowing exactly what you are aiming for helps set a clear path forward. Think of this as a roadmap helping you understand where each rupee you invest is going. Step 2. Choosing the right type of mutual fund that aligns with those goals. For example, large cap funds are typically more stable and ideal for long-term goals. Middle and small cap funds have higher growth potential but come with a bit more risk, suitable for goals with longer horizon. Hybrid funds offer a balance of both growth and stability. Your choice should reflect both the goals and the comfort with risk. Step 3 is to start small but consistent investments with systematic investment plan or SIP. An SIP helps you invest a fixed amount at regular intervals, making it manageable and automatic. This strategy is great for healthcare professionals who want to invest without the stress of timing the market. Plus, it is a powerful way to build wealth steadily over time. As a financial guide, I'll work with you through each of these steps, whether it is identifying your goals, selecting the right mutual fund type, or setting up an effective SIP. My approach is tailored to the healthcare professional's lifestyle, making it easier for you to start and grow your investments with confidence. Ready to secure your financial future? Don't wait. Click the link below to schedule your free initial consultation with me. Let's discuss your goals, assess your opinions, and get you started on a simple goal-driven mutual fund journey. Begin today so you can focus on what matters most, your patients and your family. Your financial health is just as important. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end. Please click on like and share button in case you like the video, and put your evaluation of the video and maybe your interest in future topics in the comment section. Thank you again.